My arm's tired. Oh my gosh. I'm getting like vlog shy because people are here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Tal. We're back at it again, duo. But today we're doing a video on shooting for the IG, making the IG content. Yeah. Oh my god, I don't like this. People are staring at me now. We'll take you around to all the different locations. We had one location, but we got kicked out of that, so like that's fun. That's the plan for today. We'll keep you updated. If you guys haven't already, subscribe. It's March Madness, posting every single day, Monday to Friday. And follow me on Instagram because I post daily content on there as well. And make sure you follow Serena on Instagram too because she posts fire IG pics. Yeah. Okay. We have another location and we didn't get kicked out of it. However, I got stared at the entire time while taking pictures, so that's cool. Okay, so we got kicked out again, this time by a security guard. Last time it like worked, yeah, the person worked there. This time it was a security guard.
We're not sure why.
Well, we'll keep you updated. We're gonna go find another spot.
Stay tuned for how we get kicked out of the third place.
The third place. Okay, so we finished that photo shoot. I'm not gonna lie, that was like the sketchiest, hardest
because
situation.
of the location.
How many things did we get kicked out of? We got
was
kicked
it
out of
two, yeah.
The rest was fine. I changed in a parking lot, but yeah, that was fun.
It was very eventful.
Anyways, so we can cross. It's green.
Oh yeah, why are we?
Alright, well, I'll check in later. Hi guys, I am back from my photo shoot. I have the SD card with all of the pictures on it. I thought it would be kind of interesting to show kind of the process from how it gets from the scene where we were shooting to my Instagram. Just uploading my pictures onto my computer. Imported onto my computer. There we go. So now I'm just going to pick the ones that I really like, and then I'm going to airdrop them to my phone so then I can edit them. Okay, so I have my pictures imported onto my phone now, and I'm going to go to my Visco app where I'm going to upload the 4 that I want to edit right now. So import, I'm going to go in, crop some of them just because I don't want a bunch of this extra stuff in. Maybe we'll go to this one. Jeez. Here. I usually do 6 on the P5 filter. Don't ask me why. I just always do that. Turn the exposure down a little. Saturation down, always down to make it a cooler type of photo. If you want warmer, then you turn it up. Always turn your highlights up. Shadows down. Then I'm going on to my temperatures. I am making it a very cool toned picture. So save as draft. We're going to take this picture, copy edits, and then paste edits. Those pictures are going to import. Then we will go to Lightroom where we will add our pictures from camera roll, they're imported, and then I can go in and kind of fix the edits on it. So if I want to turn my exposure down or up, we'll do that. So then colors. So this is where it gets fun. You go to the mix, which is what you can pick specific colors to go lighter or darker. So I'm going to start with red because my face is a little bit red. Saturation down a little. Blue for the denim. We will just make that a little bit more bold. So I kind of like the way this is turned out. And what I'm going to do, copy settings, go to the other pictures, paste my settings, paste, paste. So then what I'm going to do is select, and we want to export to camera roll. These will send to my camera roll. Then I can go into my final step. I just go in and like make sure that there's nothing horribly wrong with them and do my final edits on them, which would be cropping. So we're just gonna crop out the gas meter, and there we go, done. That's it. That is kind of how I edit my Instagram pictures, because Instagram is not always what you think it is. People always edit their pictures. So whatever you see on Instagram is fake. Take everything with a grain of salt. And that being said, make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram because I post daily content on there as well. And subscribe because it's March Madness. I'm posting every single day, Monday to Friday. I hope everyone has a fabulous week. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!